Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll tackle the issue where Instagram doesn't allow you to post more than 10 photos. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to fix it and potentially post up to 20 photos. Let's dive right in. Solutions to fix the problem. 1. Update your Instagram app. Open your App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Instagram and check if an update button is visible. If yes, click Update and wait for the app to update. Once done, reopen Instagram and try posting up to 20 photos. 2. Clear cache and reinstall the app. For Android, open your settings. Go to Apps and find Instagram. Tap Clear Cache and then uninstall the app. Reinstall Instagram from the Google Play Store. For iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Find Instagram and tap Offload App to clear bugs and cache files. Then, tap Reinstall App. This process refreshes your app without logging you out. 3. Check feature availability in your region. If the steps above don't work, it's possible this feature isn't available in your country yet. Instagram often rolls out features in phases, so keep your app updated regularly and check back later. Bonus tip: if you found other solutions that worked, share them in the comments to help others. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.